Take your time. Let me know when you're set, and we'll dive into connecting the weather API.
Hi, welcome guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. You can call me Osedam or I am underscore Osedam as the channel is. And let's get right into create a small web application using ChatGPT.
Let's go into our ChatGPT and then we are going to edit our prompts for it to be perfect. The more precise and detailed your prompting is, the more it's easy for ChatGPT to give you good results. Now we are going to copy these commands and paste them in our terminal. I'm using Visual Studio. You can use any other editor, and we are going to get our API. You need to sign in to open weather map in order to get the API key. These are the code that ChatGPT has generated for us, and it's summarizing it. Now we'll go on to desktop, create a folder, open our terminal, copy and paste these commands in order to install our React package. It will take a while. While that is happening, we're going to
Go on to user and open an account with the open weather map. There you can get your API.
You need to have an account here. Go to your profile, my API key. You copy your API key. Make sure you try and secure this API key. But right now we are going to be hard coding it. Now we'll cd into the project weather checker, and then we'll start the project. Start npm start, enter, and then we'll move on to the browser in order to view it. Now everything is working perfectly. Here we are going to be pasting our JavaScript JSX into our app.js file alongside our styling into our app.css with the media query. Pause the video if you want to copy my code, the code that ChatGPT generated for us. If not, let's continue. Copy and paste.
You want to follow the instruction carefully so as not to miss something out, because if you miss just as small as semicolon, you might run into errors and find difficulty in debugging it. And ChatGPT will also find difficulty in debugging because it will assume that you did everything correctly. So try and avoid that.
Everything is running well, no syntax error. If you are using Visual Studio and every extension is properly done, it's going to flag you once there is syntax error. If not, let's continue. Pasting the CSS. It's a simple design for now. We are not looking for complex design. We just want the API key to make the API call and for everything to run perfectly before we start focusing on things like that. So we are running the npm start again to make sure that the API key is properly called. Now loading it in the browser, you can see the weather checker is simple, everything is working.
Right now we have a basic weather checker app. There's no styling, no much styling or anything. It's just the fonts are edited, the button is there, and that's all. So now we want to tell ChatGPT that it looks nice, but we need little bit more. Yeah, because you cannot have that as a standard application.
We want, if you're familiar with CSS, you can go into the app.css and edit it to your taste. If not, ChatGPT and generate you a style depending on how efficient your prompting is. Now copy that extended CSS and paste it. Making sure my recording is going. Okay, let's go on, run it again, stop, and then run again. Now you see we have something basic. I guess my prompting was not clear enough, it was not specific enough, so this is what ChatGPT did for us from just a line of prompt. This is not too bad, as you have seen. It has different layer. Now let's explain further, let's specify features that we want it to include. So it's generating an extended version. Here I'll be splitting my screen so that we can properly compare them and paste it. Now let's check it out. It's cleaner right now. I took my time to edit the CSS myself to tweak it so that it looks more clean. If you in any way edit your CSS by yourself and you're still using ChatGPT, make sure you update it, you send it to your code to see that you have made changes. If not, it will not remember it and it will continue working with the previous version. Now we have an extended features of what it displays whenever we ask for the weather of a particular city or state. See me checking different states, I'm checking different states too, and you can see everything is running perfectly. It's showing for weather forecast for 5 days, and if you refresh the page, it's going to go back to just showing weather for that current day. So that's it for this video.
If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends that are interested in this kind of content. Thanks so much, and I would love feedbacks from you guys in the comment section. That will really help push the algorithm to other people that are interested in this kind of content. Thank you very much.
I'll see you in my next video. The datas are accurate, cloudy, right?